How to save video from CapCut to gallery. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update CapCut to the latest version. Then open up CapCut on a device. Now tap on new project or simply open up your past projects. Now select the video you want to edit and click on add. Now wait for few minutes or seconds. Now you can edit the video with different tools on the screen. Now once you are finished with editing, simply tap on export at the top right corner. Now wait for the export to complete. Now once the export is 100% completed, go back to the home screen. Now open up your gallery. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.